Good morning, all of you. Hi, students. Myself, Neeraj sir. As a math teacher, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Dear student, in this video, we are going to start chapter 9, Understanding Shapes, that is lines and angles of class 7 math, and this is part 2 video. And today's topic is exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1. So are you ready? Let's start. So student, let's start exercise 9.1. First question. Find the complement of the following angles. We have to find complement angles of this angle, 41 degree, 38 degree. So first 41 degree. So let the complement of 41 degree be x degree. We have to find out complement of this angle. So we let the complement of 41 degree be x degree. According to question, as you all know, sum of complement angles is 90 degree. So x degree plus 41 degree becomes 90 degree. When we shifted this 41 degree to that side, RHS side, it becomes plus 41 becomes minus 41 degree. So x degree equal to 49 degree. So this is the final answer, and 49 degree plus 41 degree becomes 90 degree. Next, E part, 38 degree. Let the complement of 38 degree be x degree. According to question, sum of both angles 90 degree. Why? Because complement angles sum 90 degree. So x degree plus 38 degree 90 degree. So x degree, this 38 degree, that side minus 38 degree. So it becomes 52 degree. And here you can check also, 52 degree plus 38 degree becomes 90 degree. So remaining part for class practice. Yes student, next question. Question number second. Find the supplement of the following angles. B part 57 degrees, E part 160 degree. So first we have to solve this B part 57 degree. Let the supplement of 57 be x degree. And as we all know, sum of supplement angles 180 degree. So these two angles sum 180 degree. Sum of both angles 180 degree. Why? Because sum of supplement angles 180 degree. So x plus 57. X plus 57 becomes 180 degree. So x equal to this 57 that side minus 57 degree. So 180 minus 57, that is 123 degree. And here you can check also, first angle 57 degree and its supplement 123 degree, and sum is 180 degree. So in this way you can check also. Next question, E part 160 degree. Let the supplement of 160 be x degree. So as we all know, sum of supplement angles 180 degree. So sum of both angles 180 degree. So this angle and this angle 180 degree. X plus 160 180 degree. X equal to this plus 160 becomes minus 160 in that side, RHS side. So 180 minus 160 20 degree. So for checking, we can check also 160 and supplement 20, it becomes 180 degree. In this way you can check also. So remaining part for class practice. Yes student, next, identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. So this is B part and this is F part. Here we have to solve B part first. So look here, 79 and 11. Sum of 79 plus 11 becomes 90 degree. And since the sum of angles 90 degrees, so the above pairs of angles are complementary angles. Next question, F part 130 plus 50, it becomes 180 degree. Since the sum of the angles is 180 degree, so the above pairs of angles are supplementary angles, and you have to solve the remaining parts. Yes student, fourth question, Find the two complementary angles so that the measure of one angle is 10 degree less than the other angle. So let the other angle be x. So one angle, that is first angle, becomes less than 10 degree less than other angle, yani x minus 10 degree. According to question, as we all know, sum of complementary angles 90 degrees, so sum of both angles becomes 90 degree. So first angle x degree plus second angle x minus 10 degree. So x degree, we remove this bracket, x minus 10 degree. So x plus x become 2x degree minus 10 degree equal to 90 degree. Removing this 10 degree that side, so shifting this minus 10 degree that side, it becomes plus 10 degree. So 90 degree plus 10 degree, 100 degree. So 2x equal to 100 degree, so x equal to 50 degree. So the first angle is 50 degree because this is x degree, and one angle is x minus 10, it means 50 minus 10, that is 40 degree. So 50 degree, 40 degree are the measures of that particular angles. Yes, student, name the adjacent angles. So look here, first pair is angle XOA, this angle, and angle AOB. AOB, here you can see in both angles this side is common. So this is first pairs of adjacent angle. Next, YOB, YOB, this angle, and BOA, BOA, this angle. So both these angles have common side OB. So this is also a pair of adjacent angles. Next, XOB. Look here, XOB, this angles, and BOY, this angle. In these angles and these angles, OB is the common ray. Next, angle AOX and angle AOY. Angle AOX, AOX, this angle AOX, and next AOY, this angle, this angle and this angle. Here you can see this is common ray OA, so both the angles are known as adjacent angle. So 4 pairs of adjacent angles. Yes, student, here we see AD and BC. AD and BC are two lines which intersect at O point. Okay, so we have to find other 3 angles. This angle is 50 degree. Angle BOD equal to 50 degree. We have to find this angle, and this angle. All these 3 angles. So look here, angle 1 equal to this angle equal to this angle. Why? Vertically opposite angle. So angle 1 equal to 50 degree. This is first angle. Next, look here. Here you can see AD is a straight line, and here 2 angles are formed. So angle 2 plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. So angle 2 equal to 180, and this plus 50, that side minus 50. So it becomes angle 2 equal to 130 degrees. So we can solve these angles also. This is the answers. Now last we have to find this angle, angle 3. So look here, angle 2 equal to angle 3. Why? Vertically opposite angles. So the value of angle 2 is 130. So what is the value of angle 3? It also become 130. Yes, student, question number 9. An angle is equal to 9 times its supplement. Find the measure of the angle. So let the angle be x, and its supplement is 9 times its supplement, means 9 into x, that is 9x. So as we all know, sum of supplement angles 180 degrees. So this angle, sum of both angles 180 x degree plus 9x degree 180 degree. So x plus 9x become 10x, 10x 180 degree. So x equal to, this is multiply, so that side it becomes, this 10 becomes divide 10, multiply 10 divide 10. So x equal to 18 degree. So first angle x degree, so first angle 18 degree, and its supplement is 9x degree, so 9 into 18 162 degree. And for checking, you can also check this 18 degree and 162 degree, it becomes 180 degree. Okay, yes student, next question, find the measure of this angle, this angle, this angle. So here you see, this is the figure, angle COE. We let this angle, angle 1, this angle BOD, angle number 2, and this angle, angle number 3, that is AOD, angle 3. So this angle 1, we have to find out angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So first is angle 1, this angle we have to find out. So look here, this angle COE we have to find out. So look here, AB is a straight line and here three angles are formed. So sum of these all three angles are 180 degree. Why? Because angle on a straight line 180 degree. So 50 degree plus angle 1 plus 50 degree 180 degree. Angles on a straight line. So 50 plus 50 100 degree, angle 1 plus 100 degree 180 degree. So angle 1 equal to 180 minus 100, it becomes 80 degree. So angle COE means angle 1 and angle 1 is 80 degree. So this is the first answer. Next we have to find out angle BOD. Look here, this angle BOD. So here you see CD is a straight line and here three angles are formed, this angle and this angle. This is the straight line. So CD is a straight line, so angle 1 plus 50 plus angle 2 becomes 180 degree, angles on a straight line. So we put here value of angle 1, angle 1 is 80 degree, 50 degree plus angle 2 180 degree, 80 plus 50 130 degree plus angle 2 180 degree. So angle 2 equal to 180 minus 130. So angle 2 is 50 degree. So angle 2 means angle BOD. So we have find out this angles also. Now last angle AOD, angle number 3, this angle. Here you can see CD is a straight line and here two angles are formed. So sum of both the angles 180 degree. Why? Due to linear pair, two angles are formed. So linear pair, this angle plus this angle becomes 180 degree. So angle 3 equal to 180 degree, and when we shift this 50 degree to RHS side, this plus 50 becomes minus 50. So 180 minus 50 130 degree. So angle 3 means angle AOD 130 degree. Yes students, this is the last question, question number 11. Find the measures of angle AOC. Angle AOC means angle X, and angle COB. Angle COB means 8x. So look here, angle AOB is a straight line and here two angles are formed. So we can say that x plus 8x equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. These both angles form linear pair. This is a straight line and two angles are formed. So sum of both the angles becomes 180 due to linear pair. Okay student. So x plus 8x, 9x. 9x equal to 180 degree. X equal to, here you see 9x means 9 multiply x. So when we replace the when we shifted this 9 to that side, multiply becomes divide. So 180 divided by 9. So final x value is 20 degree. So we can say that angle AOC. Angle AOC means, yes, look here, angle AOC means x degree, means 20 degree, and angle COB. Angle COB means this angle 8x degree. So 8x degree, so 8 into 20 degree, so it becomes 160 degree. And when we add this both the answers, 160 plus 20, it becomes 180 degree. So student, that's all for today. Have a nice day.